Looking to switch careers and enter the exciting world of real estate in Alaska? Look no further. This video covers everything you need to know to get started, from obtaining your real estate license to passing the exam. Anyone considering a real estate career in Alaska, you have come to the right place. My name is Jerry Royce, and I've been teaching Alaska sales pre-licensing classes for over 25 years and taught them over 400 times. We've now recorded all the videos so that you have great access to it, and spent hundreds of hours helping people be able to pass this exam. Over 1,200 people have passed their test here in Alaska to get their real estate career started. We offer a full range of classes as well, but we look forward to helping you and walking you through and making this an easy process. Let's take some of the math questions out of our manual.
Chapter 1, page 33. Question 33. How many lots, each measuring 72.5 feet wide by 100 feet deep, could be made from a 2-acre parcel of land? So these are the steps that we follow. First step is to take the 72.5 feet wide, multiply that by 100 feet, equals 7,250 square feet. Next, step 2, we look at the size of an acre, which is 43,560 square feet. We multiply that by 2 to come up with the total square footage of 2 acres of 87,120 square feet. Step 3, we take the 87,120 square feet, divide it by the 7,250 square feet, which is the size of the lot that we're looking to make, and that equals 12.2 lots, or answer C. On that same page in Chapter 1, question 34 reads, a parcel of land described as the northwest 1/4 of the southwest 1/4 of Section 6, Township 4 North, Range 8 West of the 3rd principal meridian was sold for $875 per acre. The listing broker will receive a 5% commission on the total sales price. How much will the broker receive? The first thing that we have to do is look at the description and read it backwards. We see that we're in the southwest 1/4 of the northwest 1/4. So in looking at the map, we see that the size of that particular parcel is 40 acres. We take the 40 acres, we multiply it by the $875 per acre, and that gives us a total price of $35,000. We then multiply that by the 5% commission, and it equals $1,750, or answer A. Next, we look at question number 40. Beginning at the southeast corner of the northeast 1/4 of the section, so we're going to start at the point of beginning, down in that corner where you see the star. So beginning from that point of beginning, the southeast corner of the northeast 1/4 is the point of beginning. Then we head due east. Now we know that a section is 1 mile by 1 mile, which means that it's 5,280 feet. We start from the point of beginning and proceed due west 5,280 feet to the next star. Then north along the west line of the section, 2,640 feet. Now that's a half a mile. That brings us up to this 3rd diamond. Next, it gets a little bit complicated, because then what it says is that we then proceed in a straight line back to the point of beginning. What that effectively does is it creates a right triangle as we come back to the point of beginning. Now the calculation of that right triangle is going to be 1/2 of the amount of property that's covered there, or 160 acres. And you'll see that narrative on how to be able to calculate the square footage of a right triangle in your handouts, so you can review that and try it a few more times. On question number 42, in that same chapter, on that same page, a lot with a depth of 80 feet and an area of 4,800 square feet was sold for $350 per front foot. What was the total sales price? For the first step, we take the 4,800 square feet and divide it by the 80 feet, which gives us the 60 front feet. As in other T-type equations, if we have 2 of the elements, we can solve for the third. On the second step, once we have calculated calculated that there is 60 front feet. We then multiply that by the $350 price per front foot, which gives us a total of $21,000, or answer A.
This concludes our Passing the Real Estate Test Math Part 1. We have additional parts for you to help you study to be able to pass the real estate exam regardless of where you're taking the test.